Today I'm going to show you how you can retrieve all your password on a Windows machine. If you're using Google Chrome, click on the Microsoft Google Chrome. Locate the three vertical dots on the right corner of your machine. Go straight to passwords or autofills, or you scroll down to settings and click on settings. Move to autofills and passwords and then click on Google Manager or Google Password Manager. You see that these are the links or the IP addresses that you've been using your machine to access. Click on any of them and it will show that you have to enter your password that you have on your machine to open it. Voila! If you put your cursor on the eye icon, you see that shows password or show password. That is your password. So as my own, this is my password. Password 123. Thank you.